Hey everyone, welcome to Codecraft Pro Max. In this channel, we break down web development into simple, practical lessons you can actually use. First, what is HTML? HTML is the foundation of every website. Even if you build with React Next.js or an AI website builder, the browser still ends up reading HTML. In the next 3 minutes, you'll understand the real structure of an HTML page, what goes in the head, what goes in the body, how meta tags help SEO, and how to link CSS and JavaScript the right way. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a markup language, meaning it labels content. This is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, this is an image. CSS handles the look, and JavaScript handles interaction. But HTML is the skeleton. Let's start with the standard structure you should use for every page. First line, that tells the browser this is modern HTML5. Then we wrap everything in the tag. A best practice is adding lang, like lang equals N for English. This helps accessibility tools and search engines understand the page language. Inside, we have two main sections. The head contains information about the page, mostly not visible to users, like the encoding, SEO metadata, links to CSS, and sometimes scripts. The body contains what users actually see: headings, text, buttons, images, layouts, all visible content. Let's start with the standard structure you should use for every page. First line, that tells the browser this is modern HTML5. Then we wrap everything in the tag. A best practice is adding lang, like lang equals N for English. This helps accessibility tools and search engines understand the page language. To connect CSS, you normally link it inside the head using a link tag. Example, that tells the browser, load this CSS file and apply styles. For JavaScript, you can link it using a script tag. The modern best practice is the defer attribute means load the file, but run it after the HTML is parsed so your page loads faster and your script can safely find elements in the body. If your JavaScript is small, you can write it directly inside script tags, but most projects keep it in a separate file. Use for the top area, for navigation links, for the main content, to group related content, for independent content like a blog post, and for the bottom of the page. And remember, attributes add extra meaning and behavior. The big ones you'll use constantly are ID for unique elements, class for styling groups, href for links, src for images and scripts, and alt for images. Alt text matters a lot for accessibility and SEO. That's the real HTML structure. If you understand this, you understand how every web page is built.